का पुजारी, सत्य की राह दिखाने वाला, वो हमें इंसानियत का पाठ पढ़ा गया, वो बापू लाठी वाला।
अहिंसा का था वो पुजारी, कभी ना जिसने हिम्मत हारी, सांस दी हमें आजादी की, जन जन में है जिसका बलिहारी। जब समस्त विश्व गगन युद्ध के बादलों से आच्छादित था, हमारा देश गुलामी की जंजीरों से जकड़ा हुआ था, तब 2 अक्टूबर 1869 के दिन पोरबंदर गुजरात में पुतली बाई और करमचंद जी के घर युग पुरुष का जन्म हुआ, जो आगे जाकर महात्मा और राष्ट्रपिता के नाम से जाने गए।
United Nations General Assembly has marked his birth anniversary as the International Day of Non-Violence.
His name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Bapu, father of the nation. He was a great personality of India who was still inspiring the people in the country as well as abroad through his greatness, idleness and noble life.
Mahatma Gandhi is the biggest and great patriotic in India. Gandhiji's wife name was Kasturba Gandhi and they had 4 sons.
He was the greatest freedom fighter. He is also called father of the nation. He always wearing a simple dhoti.
He was the son of Chief Minister of Porbandar, Karamchand Gandhi, and his mother was Putli Bai. He was raised in very religious background, and that was the reason from the beginning itself. He was taught about the importance of self-discipline and non-violence.
Age of 15, he got married to Kasturba Bai. He went to England to study law. He was very truthful and honest person and gave slogan like do or die. He was shot dead by a misguided young man, Nathuram Godse, on 30 January 1948.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who is also famously referred to as Mahatma Gandhi, was given the title of Father of Nation from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose for his relentless struggles for our independence.
Mahatma Gandhi led to many movements to bring the British flag down in the country. They are non-cooperation movement, with India movement, etc. Mahatma Gandhi played the key role in these 3 movements.
He fought for our independence by following principles of peace and non-violence. He led many successful campaigns like removing the tax imposed on salt and also calling the British to quit India.
He studied law from the University of London. He faced many difficulties and insulted by the Britishers as there due to their black color. He returned to India as a Britisher and he had done many movements to liberate the country.
On 2nd October, every year India celebrates a national holiday remembering and honor of the birth of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi ji as Gandhi Jayanti.
उन्हीं की प्रेरणा से हमारे देश 15 अगस्त 1947 में